Hello friends, welcome to my study tutorial. Today we have assembled here just to discuss about the topics which are important from the angle of several competitive exams. Maybe अगर आप एसएससी के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, रेलवेज के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो और यूपीएससी के लिए, there is a certain portion of history which exactly we need to know some facts. They should be there and on your tips. So we are going to talk about the freedom struggle of India, and being the citizen of this country, definitely it's essential that we should know our past and the people, those who have sacrificed their lives. Their contribution is definitely very significant and important. So through this chapter, we are going to throw light on that important events that took place in the moment. So, in the duration of approximately 15 minutes, we will try to cover the maximum moments which were started by the different freedom fighters of our country. And I will request you that you should keep a notebook as well as a pencil or pen, so that you should note down the important struggle points. So, let us start from here. As all of us are aware of the fact, the 1857 revolt is considered to be the first freedom struggle of India. This is given the title of first freedom struggle of India because it was the first time when actually Britishers realized that the Indians, they are really dissatisfied with the management of the administration which they were providing to us. Earlier they didn't have a hint of this thing, but we failed in the first freedom struggle of our country. You know it very clearly. So the freedom struggle, actually the first freedom struggle of our country, it started in 1857, which is given the title of revolt basically. So it was the revolt, and some important points of revolt we were doing in the lower classes of arts, like you might have heard of Kanpur, Barakpur, Delhi. Ambala was also one place where this actually some people have mistaken it was planned here in Ambala, but it couldn't be executed because someone, you can say, Guptachar or underground hidden person, he gave the clue to the British administrators, and it couldn't happen here in Ambala. So Barakpur Chhavni and Mangal Pandey is the well-known name which all of us are well versed, where actually this process started. But we failed. We failed in this first freedom struggle of our country. Why we failed, all of us can easily make out, because the proper leadership was not there and we were not well organized, and moreover, the Britishers, they were having better arms ammunition and they could control us because unity was lagging in Indians. So that were the causes of our failures in the first freedom struggle. But our today's topic is not going to talk about this freedom struggle, but we are proceeding further. After this failure, several changes took place. The first, you need to note down the year 1885, when the INC was formed. Now what is INC? INC is the Indian National Congress. So who was the person who was responsible for formation of this? That is A.O. Hayum. And Gopal Krishna Gokhale, he played a significant role in forming Congress. So 1885 के अंदर इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की स्थापना की गई. This was the first event. And after that, you know, the famous personalities, उन्होंने अपने आप को इस इंस्टीट्यूशन के साथ जोड़ा. किसके साथ? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के साथ. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and several other patriotic heroes which are well versed to you guys, they got themselves associated with the National Congress. Then let us come to the next event that took place. उसके बाद बेटे कांग्रेस का अधिवेशन हुआ. And even before that, let me tell you one important another incident that took place. As Britishers, they were becoming aware of the fact that the unity among the Indians was gradually increasing. कैसे? Because development of the means of transport, communication, and spread of information among the masses because of newspaper. Now through the newspaper, the more and more Indians, they were becoming enlightened about the real requirement of the time. What was the need of the hour? Actually, they were getting info how the foreigners, they were exploiting your resources, and because of spread of education, the masses, they were becoming more enlightened. So this was happening. So in order, so the first action, it was taken by the Lord Curzon in 1905. 1905 के अंदर बेटे बंगाल का विभाजन उसे सजेस्ट किया गया बाय लॉर्ड कर्जन. So what was the event? Partition of Bengal was suggested basically. So partition, it was decided on which basis? What happened? The western part of it, it was, इसमें बेटे हिंदू कम्युनिटी के ज़्यादा लोग रहते थे, एंड सो फार एज ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ बंगाल वाज कंसर्न, वहाँ पर मोहम्मडन कम्युनिटी के ज़्यादा लोग रहते थे. सो विभाजन के पीछे बेसिकली फूट डालो राज्य करो की पॉलिसी, दैट मीन्स डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी वाज द बेस. सो बेसिकली बंगाल के विभाजन के पीछे लॉर्ड कर्जन के दिमाग में जो बेसिक आइडिया था, व्हाट वाज रूलिंग इन द ब्रेन ऑफ दैट इंडिविजुअल, दैट गाय, दैट जीनियस पर्सनालिटी वाज द डिवाइड एंड रूल. दैट मीन्स इंडियन के अंदर बढ़ती हुई यूनिटी को तोड़ने का एक मेथड सोचा गया कि बंगाल को विभाजित किया गया हिंदू मुसलमान के आधार के ऊपर, एंड बेसिकली उसके पीछे क्या था, उनकी यूनिटी को आपस में ब्रेक करना. सो व्हाट वाज द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ द इंडियंस टू दिस कॉल? All Indians, they united together and they decided to start with the Swadeshi movement. So why it was started? So or what it was? Swa means apna, deshi means apni country में बने हुए. So all Indians, some of our leaders, they started with the Swadeshi movement. What was the idea behind? All goods which were manufactured by the Britishers or which came to our country from other countries of the world, to discard them, not to use them, but start using the goods which were manufactured or produced within the industries of your own country. This was the idea behind Swadeshi movement. So what people started doing, they started burning the bonfire of all the foreign goods, all the British industries manufactured goods which they were using in their house. So somehow this movement, it really became popular among the masses. And what was the effect? Even some people, they left the government jobs, and the students, they stopped going to the schools, government schools, because the government means what? Schools which were run by the Britishers at that time. So Swadeshi movement, Swadeshi means अपने देश में बनी हुई चीज़ों का प्रयोग करने के ऊपर more and more they started emphasizing. इसी का रिजल्ट था कि इंडिया में चरखा यूज किया जाने लगा, यानी कि बाहर से बनके, दैट मीन्स ब्रिटिश इंडस्ट्री से बनके आए हुए उन कॉटन गुड्स का कंजम्पशन करने की बजाय हाथों में हथकरघे का इस्तेमाल किया गया. दैट मीन्स घरों के अंदर चरखे थे, एंड पीपल दे स्टार्टेड वीविंग फॉर देमसेल्व्स. खादी वस्त्रों का उपयोग लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया. सो ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ दिस, फाइनली व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट? 1905 के अंदर इसको विड्रॉ कर लिया गया. दिस पार्टीशन 1905 में जो सजेशन थी, 1911 में this suggestion, which was given by the Lord Curzon for division of the Bengal into two separate units, it was withdrawn. So one event we can learn in this way. In 1905, Lord Curzon, he suggested for the partition of Bengal, and what was the basic idea behind this? Divide and rule. And the response of the masses, it was Swadeshi movement. People started with the Swadeshi movement, and what was the final result of this? Indians, they gave a serious blow with the help of the Swadeshi movement to the tactics adopted by the Britishers. And finally, what was the result of the pressure which was exerted by the Indian masses on Britishers? They were forced to withdraw this partition of Bengal. So, in this we have learnt about just a single event. In the next video of mine, you will get more detail about the different movements started by the Indians and how we got the freedom in 1947. Thank you and have a nice day.